Canva AI is an advanced suite of artificial intelligence-powered features integrated within the Canva design platform. Unlike traditional graphic design tools that rely purely on manual creativity, Canva AI combines the ability to generate, enhance, and edit designs using machine learning and deep learning algorithms. At the core, Canva AI can instantly create design layouts based on simple user inputs. Imagine you need a social media post, a poster, or a presentation. Just describe what you want, and Canva AI produces multiple visually appealing options. These options are intelligently curated using patterns detected from millions of existing professional designs. One of the most impressive features is Magic Write. Tell it a prompt, and it generates fitting text for your design, whether it's catchy headlines, product descriptions, or invitations. Magic Edit and Magic Eraser empower users further, allowing objects and photos to be changed or entirely removed in seconds, which traditionally would demand expert-level photo editing skills. Such tools analyze image content, recognize elements, and convincingly fill in backgrounds to maintain realism. Canva AI also helps with resizing images and layouts perfectly for various platforms without losing quality or vital content. The platform learns proportions and content priorities based on user feedback, ensuring seamless transitions from Instagram posts to printable banners. In summary, Canva AI lowers the barrier for creative design. By bridging cutting-edge technology with intuitive interfaces, it lets anyone, from students to marketers, realize ideas quickly and effortlessly, minimizing tedious manual work. The future of design is now accessible to all, thanks to AI.